Bullfrogs originated in Africa as they live longer in warm weather. The average bullfrog is 7 to 10 inches long and they have small teeth. One interesting thing about bullfrogs is that the males have larger eardrums than the females. Another interesting fact, bullfrogs tend to eat each other. Breeding season occurs in the late spring and early summer. The mating call sounds like a bull's cry. The females produce up to 20,000 eggs that hatch within 3 to 5 days. Once born, these frogs have a lifespan of 8 to 10 years. Not only that, bullfrogs also eat leopard frogs, a native species to the Sonoran Desert. How did they get all the way to the Sonoran Desert, you ask? The American bullfrog originated in the eastern United States. In the 1900s, it was brought to the western U.S. as a source of food, frog legs. Since then, their numbers have only multiplied. Why is this such an issue? The bullfrogs have close to eliminated the native leopard frogs. This causes numerous environmental issues as leopard frogs play their own role, which is now in danger of disappearing. Why can't bullfrogs just be eradicated? Since bullfrogs multiply so quickly and abundantly, their numbers increase at an unstoppable rate. Another main reason they are such a challenge to get rid of is the fact that bullfrogs have no predators. However, despite the difficulties bullfrogs present, there are some solutions to help save leopard frogs and eradicate bullfrogs. The first and simplest way to help save leopard frogs is to inform people about the issue. Things such as telling people to not use bullfrog tadpoles as bait and to not consume frog legs is the first step to eradicating bullfrogs. Another good way to help save leopard frogs is breeding ponds. The frogs are bred in the ponds and then released into the wild as adults. This way, the tadpoles are protected from being eaten. One particular example of leopard frog aid comes from Buenos Aires, in which people drained ponds containing bullfrogs in order to kill the tadpoles. Then, in monsoon season, the ponds refilled and the native leopard frogs were then reintroduced. The use of chemicals in ponds in order to kill off bullfrogs only damages the environment more and kills native species. This solution is counterproductive and should not be used. It is through the use of these good solutions and prevention of bad that will hopefully eradicate bullfrogs and save leopard frogs. With everyone's help, leopard frogs can hopefully thrive once again. Have you seen bullfrogs? Contact azgfd.gov to help locate and eradicate bullfrog populations.